Hello friends, this is Aiba from A&D Delicious Cake. Today I am showing you how to make a garnish sheet. I'll show on this sheet. So this is a white chocolate I melted at 30 seconds in microwave and then at 10 seconds. So the chocolate has to be like this. In this I will add red color.